Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to claim Discord Nitro gift on mobile. So first you have to log into your Discord account and then you just have to go to your profile, and as you can see there is Nitro up here. In order for you to claim or purchase Nitro, all you have to do is to tap that one and it will take you directly to your options on what are you going to purchase, if it's monthly or if it's yearly. So this is how you purchase or buy Nitro, or if you want to purchase any of these plans here. Okay, get basic, get Nitro. But since our tutorial is all about how to claim Discord Nitro gift, all you have to do now is to simply go back and then go to your settings, scroll down till you see this billing settings, and then we have here Nitro gifting. So here it is. Now, if you have your gift, it will appear here. But since there are no gifts, so you can't see any Nitro gift here. But but if you want to send a gift, or if you want to purchase or buy Nitro, so you simply tap any of these options here and then click buy, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.